wrapping. All right, welcome to the Gnarly Chicken Garage. We've got a return customer, actually a return bike. We got our old friend, the 2004 KTM 250SX, and she stopped running, and I think I know why. So, you know, let alone the piston being all damaged, but this is supposed to move freely. You know, the crank doesn't really, oh man, it's stuck. There we go. It does not want to move, so we need a bottom end, bottom to top, and yeah, she needs some loving. So yeah, a light here. Yep. So she's seen some dirt. She's got some dirt in her. Hard to say. Hard to say what really caused this thing. Customer said he was fifth gear wide open when she let go, so definitely overheat. All for now.